Hi, this is Chuck Pettis at Earth Sanctuary. I'm beside the ecological restoration site that's underneath the osprey nest. This is a wonderful site that includes many Native American medicinal plants and herbs. Today we began a new ecological restoration project at Earth Sanctuary. Now I'm behind the osprey nest restoration area in the new area that we're going to be restoring. Jim Lux came here today with his Blackberry mulcher and cleared out a portion of this area, about a third. And we're going to be monitoring this area over the next several years. We're going to be weeding out the non-native plants and encouraging the native plants to grow here. And ideally a diversity of native plants to fill in this beautiful wetland and create a more diverse habitat for all the birds and animals at Earth Sanctuary. We'll keep our fingers crossed. Now I'm going to do a 360-degree panoramic view of this area so that we can know what it looked like right after it was cleared, and then we can compare it in subsequent years to see how well it does. Now we're facing south towards the osprey restoration area, and now I'm going to turn clockwise